Jeez. Ah, you need to see this.
Yes, baby.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is going to be a very quick tutorial. I'm sorry I had to make it very quick. Yeah, I was just filming a client and I'm like, okay, why not just film it for you guys? Yeah, so she's having her birthday shoot and this is me glamming her up. I already prepped her face and I'm priming it right now. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please do it too. Just click on the subscription button below and subscribe. And do not forget to do what? Click on the notification bell to get notified each time I put up a new video. So right here, I am applying the foundation. I just mixed Huda Beauty and Milani. And I'm using the setting spray to hydrate the face before I blend in the foundation. You already know how we do this, right? I know you missed my voice. Don't worry, I'm coming back with more tutorials. So right now I'm using a lipstick as the blush. Yeah, that was a bit much, but I just had to blend it in because I'm a bad ass like that. All right, so I went ahead to still use the setting spray to allow the foundation sit in properly. Yeah, so after that I went ahead to use my pro concealer to highlight her under eyes. I actually used two shades here because I used the lighter one in. If you can see what I'm doing, you will understand that there are two different shades here. I'm just trying to blend it in. Everything I used for this tutorial will be in the description box below. Please do well to check it out. So right here I'm using Merak Cosmetics, of course, yes, to set her under eyes. That's their setting powder. I don't know the particular one, but it's going to be in the description box. After that, I went ahead to contour her nose. We need to snatch the what? That nose. You already saw the after what's it called? Yes, the after video. So I need to snatch that nose to get that video you saw there. So yeah, right here, she's just admiring herself. Like this client of mine, she's my friend. So I'm like, girl, calm down. Let's build this face. Yeah, she was having her birthday shoot here. So I went ahead to use my contour palette, or rather my powder palette to just contour again. I already did liquid contour, but you guys already know on this channel we do liquid and we do powder. Yes, did I mention I used Merak? Yes, I think I did. Yes, I did. So yes, I am using a blush to still go ahead on top of the guys. What is she doing here? What's she doing here? Ha! But I enjoyed beating this face actually, but I was still in a hurry because we needed to get to the studio to snap her birthday pictures. This was actually her birthday shoot. She just kept on admiring her face. And I'm still using Merak Cosmetics setting powder. I don't think I use any other product now apart from Merak. Like they snatched my soul. So here we are doing the brows. I went ahead to use the brow gel to just brush it out, and I did the brow behind the camera. I have a detailed tutorial on how I do my brows. I will leave everything in the description box, so you should just check it out. So here I just did a bit of neutral eyeshadow, and I went to use my black eyeshadow to smoke it out. She wanted something nude but glowing. I don't know. Yes, I know you get what I'm saying. So I just needed to smoke it out, and she has a very small eyes, so I didn't just want to go overboard, and she requested it as well. So she's the client and I'm the makeup artist. I give her what she wants. So I'm still going ahead to use the nude eyeshadow to just pat a bit, and after which I went ahead to use my mascara from Maybelline to try to color her lashes before I use the false lashes from Mismetics. If you've watched up to this point, please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you haven't, share this video to your family, friends. This is how a black girl should look like. Her melanin is still intact. Yeah, we don't make you white. So here I used a black pencil for her lips to outline the lips, and she's like, go, what's this? This was really a fun shoot. So I'm using a mascara for her under lashes to just bring it out. Guys, this is what 3.0, so we get to make it glow. Don't mind my client, she was talking a whole lot, and I think I'm talking a whole lot at this point. So I went ahead to use highlighter to just highlight her brow bone. Yes, I'll put what I used for highlighting that in the description box. So this is the final look. What do you guys think? If you enjoyed this video too, please do also subscribe, comment, and share. Yes, you can check me out on Instagram as well to get a closer look on this tutorial, or rather this video. Bye. I love you guys. Mwah.